Welcome everyone, you may be in a situation where your HDMI port on your Xbox Series S is faulty or it isn't working. You've tried as many fixes as possible and you still can't get signal to work or the HDMI port to work. So what you can do, this is a way to fix it complete for free, is to use the warranty program. So let me just show you this here. If I go to screen recording, I'm now on my PC. So let's just go to this website here. You can see hardware warranty and services. So your Xbox Series S will have 1 year of limited warranty and also 5 years, yes, 5 years, you heard that correctly, of consumer law warranty. So what you can do is you just scroll down to the bottom here and you just want to click on sign in to get service, follow all the instructions and you'll be good to go. So here's the problem, right? If you have the Xbox Series S and it's over a year old, you can't use the limited warranty, which means they're going to charge you money in order for you for the HDMI port to be repaired. However, here's the deal. I'm going to leave you to this Apple website. These both will be in the description. And you can see this is for Apple. However, this talks about the law, consumer laws, right? Microsoft doesn't have a website on this, but Apple does. And so what this will cover, if you just click on choose your country/region, it will show whether or not you have in your country consumer law. What is consumer law? Well, in the UK, for example, where I'm from, you can see consumer laws in the United Kingdom. You can see England and Wales, 6 years from date of delivery, I can get a my HDMI cable port even fixed on my Xbox Series S. 6 years from the date of delivery. That's not even a joke, right? And you can see when it comes to Apple themselves or Microsoft, they only give you 1 year limited warranty. However, the law, let me just read that, the law is you are entitled to 6 years of warranty after the date of delivery. So on this form here, you just want to make sure that if they start attempting to charge you money, that you just say you're going to use the consumer law, because it's the law that you get a warranty for free up to 6 years if you're in the UK. Other countries will be different. UK and EU guaranteed have up to 5 years. If you're in any other country, you may not be as lucky. And then you get, a replacement Xbox Series S, or they'll replace the, the HDMI port, and then you'll be good to go. So that's how you get the repair complete for free. Of course, if you're in the US, maybe some other countries as well, you may not be as lucky, but hopefully this will help one person out who, was about to, go all the way and spend a ton of money on the repair when they can get it for free with the consumer law. And with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.